Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to drive on one of the most popular routes in Jamaica. We are driving on Washington Boulevard, heading towards Mandela Highway, and then we're going to go towards Spanish Town, which means we're going to pass the turnoff for Portmore. So this is the most popular route in Jamaica because Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. Takes you from the city of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town. And I often wonder why this is Mandela Highway we're going on now. Okay, so this is now Mandela Highway. This is the busiest road in Jamaica. I have often wondered why they haven't expanded this road anymore. The only thing I can think of is the conflict with the toll road. But this is the busiest road in Jamaica. Now, the city of Kingston has the largest population. The second and third largest population you're going to find in Jamaica is Portmore and Spanish Town. So this is the road that connects the three most populated areas in Jamaica. So naturally, it's going to be the busiest road in Jamaica. Not sure why it's not named after a Jamaican. Not taking away anything from Mr. Mandela, but this road should be named after a Jamaican and another road named after him. This is the busiest road in Jamaica. Guys, let me know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. So on the right is it probably is the largest industrial, no, not that, one of the largest, and we're actually going to go over there this week and give you a tour of that warehouse, which I am sure is the largest warehouse in Jamaica. I think it belongs to Derrimon Trading. Massive facility. Alright, so this overhead bridge now this is Mandela Highway 6 lane. So if you want to get on the other side, you have to use the overhead bridge. And since this is the busiest road in Jamaica, somebody came up with a great idea. Why not build a gas station on the busiest road in Jamaica? And they did, and that's the gas station coming into view on the right, the Fesco, and that's now the busiest gas station in Jamaica. Honestly, if you're in a rush, when I'm in a rush, I have to find another gas station sometimes. It's just so busy over there. But that was an excellent idea to build a gas station at the busiest location, on the busiest road in Jamaica. Now, somewhere out here, they're actually going to build an overpass to take you into Portmore because Portmore has a massive population. Actually, in the evenings, when this road has bumper-to-bumper traffic, after you pass Portmore, the traffic eases up. Because there's another road into Portmore, but it's a toll road, and if you have to use that road every day, twice a day, it can definitely add up. Actually, the busiest toll plaza in Jamaica is on that road, the Portmore Expressway, that takes you into Portmore. It's a toll road and it's the busiest toll plaza in Jamaica. So they plan to build an overpass somewhere out here, right into Portmore, which will definitely help with the flow of traffic. We haven't started yet, but we will keep you up to date. Now, in addition to taking you from the city of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town, it also takes you to the two major highways in Jamaica. On the left is the entrance to Highway 2000 east-west leg, and on the right, further down, I pointed out, will be the entrance to Highway 2000 north-south leg. The east-west leg, that's the one on the left, takes you to Maypen, Mandeville, eventually Negril, St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay. The north-south highway takes you to Ocho Rios, but it's going to be expanded to Trelawney and eventually into Mobay. Every road in Jamaica eventually leads you, all the major highways I should say, to Kingston or Mobay, because those are the two major cities. Alright, so coming up on the left now is by the stoplight. That's where you turn left to go into Portmore and go down and merge with Municipal Boulevard or Dyke Road. Alright, so this is now the section of Mandela Highway that takes you to Spanish Town. We've passed the Portmore turnoff, and as you can see, this section of the road has not been renovated yet, but they have major plans to renovate this section of the road.